in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LUVME Hair. Today's unit is their 5x5 deep wave undetectable invisible lace glueless closure lace wig. Real HD lace. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed and also make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. Another thing is, if you find that you do like this unit, I'll be sure to have a direct link to her in the description box below, so make sure you check that out, along with the coupon code that you can use to help, you know, save some coins off. But enough about that, let's get into this install.
Like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Remember the first time we met? You was at the mall with your friend. I was scared to approach ya, but then you came closer, hoping you would give me a chance. Who would have ever knew that we would ever be more than friends? The railroad white breaking all the rules. She like a song played again and again. Like something of a poster. It's a gun, they say. It's a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. See your pain all around the globe. Now once did you leave my mind? We talk on the phone from night till the morning. Girl, it really changed my life. Doing things I never do. I'm in the kitchen cooking things she likes. The railroad white breaking all the rules. Someday I wanna make you my wife. Like something of a poster. It's a damn they say. It's a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day.
Okay, so let's talk about this unit from LUVME Hair. The cap construction is your typical cap construction. Instead of having 3 combs, it actually has 4 combs in total. 1 in the back, 1 in the middle, and then the other 2 are located on each side of the unit. It also comes with adjustable straps and also a security band. Now the security band isn't your typical security band, it's more so like a bra strap. And I really like that and appreciate that because you can really customize it specifically for you. This unit does come in several lengths, ranging from 16 inches all the way down to 24 inches. I was sent the 24 inch and I'm happy about that. When she's all the way pushed to the front, she does stop right underneath my breast, but when she's all the way pushed to the back, she stops about mid-back. According to the website, this unit is 180% density, and I would agree with that. When I first took the unit out of the package, I was just kind of like, oh, she's gonna be really thin and it's probably like 150% density, but I should have learned my lesson by now and known by now that once I wash curly hair, it fluffs up. I don't know why I don't think about that or remember that every time, but yeah, she's definitely 180% density. Even though she's 180% density, she's not so thin to where you see tracks throughout, but also when she's fluffed out, she's not too much hair to where it can be a little bit obnoxious. Personally, I think she's a great unit for the springtime and summertime because she's lightweight, breathable, but she also still gives that really full effect. Now the texture isn't mentioned on the website, but I would say that she's a light yaki. With the way that she feels and the way that she looks, it's just kind of screaming yaki texture to me. I'm sure you're probably looking at this side and thinking, Tan, put some water on this unit. No, I purposely left her like this to show how this unit looks when it's combed out. This side makes me think of my own personal hair when it comes out of my twist when I've had them in for like a month. But it reminds me of how my hair looks once it's out of its twist. Now this side, this puffy side right here, makes me think of my hair whenever I have freshly blown dried it. Blow dried it? Blow dried it. Blown dried it. Blow dried it. The lace on this unit is incredible, but I mean, it's LUVME Hair. I wouldn't expect anything less. I just love how their lace always melts so effortlessly. Like, You could not tell me that this isn't growing from my scalp. As someone who is not a professional hairstylist, I don't know, I just feel like my installs for the most part come out really nice and really seamless when it comes to LUVME hair. Speaking of growing from my scalp, the hairline. According to the stock card, this hairline was pre-plucked, and I feel like it was pre-plucked, but me being me, wanting to go in, test some stuff out, try some stuff out, I went and I plucked a little bit more, almost basically to mimic my own hairline. I do have a small widow's peak, so I wanted to test that out, and I feel like I did a good job with it. Now, as someone who's not a professional hairstylist whatsoever, I feel like this unit is very beginner friendly. Not only because of the pre-pluckedness of it. Pre-pluckedness, is that a word? We're gonna make it a word today. Yeah. The pre-pluckedness of it, but also the fact that it's a 5x5 closure. With a 5x5 closure, you don't have to worry about melting the lace throughout your entire forehead. Instead, you just have a really small portion to worry about, which then also means your edges are protected, and we love it. I don't know how, but I almost forgot to mention whether this unit is big head friendly or not. According to the stock card, the cap size of this unit is 22.5 inches in circumference, which is their standard medium. Now, this unit doesn't come in a small, medium, or large, so you get what you get, can't throw a fit. But to my surprise, this unit is fitting very comfortably. Now, I tried to step outside of my comfort zone with this unit because most of the time I just will style the unit as basic as possible. I'm not saying this is anything fancy, but you know what I mean, like a middle part or a side part and then call it a day. I wanted to try a up down, half up, half down style with this unit, and I feel like she came out really cute. If you plan on picking up this unit and plan on doing this style as well, just know that your edges will be out. I personally just tucked some of the hair behind the tracks that would be showing if the wind blew or something like that, but I don't know, I feel like it's still cute. I feel like it gives a very youthful look, a very fun look, a very flirty look. But yes, I don't have too much to say about this unit except for she is absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely going to be wearing her throughout the rest of the summer, so hopefully I take some pictures. I need to learn how to get out and take some pictures. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They are both at @10Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Again, use my coupon code. I'll pop it up here across the screen. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay.